me pop up again. Too much drip, ooh. Keep it rip, ooh. Too much drip, ooh. Keep it rip, ooh.
Hey beauties, it's Nikea here, back with another video. It's a new year and I was just thinking I have never shared my tech with you all, what I use to record, edit, all that jazz, my whole recording corner. So I decided to share that with you all today. But before we get into this video, if you haven't already, take one quick second, go down below, click that subscribe button. Once you do that, that bell notification button's gonna pop up. Click that so that you never miss an upload. Join the club. As you all know, I've said it many times on my channel, I live in my parents' house. There are a total of 3 families in here, 10 people, 2 dogs. So I do everything in my bedroom. That's where I record most of the time. I do record other places in the house, but 9 times out of 10, you will see me sitting here doing my hair, doing my makeup, chit-chatting, all that jazz. So this is my corner. This is where I'm recording. So I did decide to decorate it. This name behind me, my friend Danielle got it made for me for my bridal shower. And these flowers are also from my wedding. So I was like, I wanted to add some decorations to my wall because it was just so bland behind me. This chair right here actually goes to a little dining set that I used to have in one of my old apartments. I just use this little TV dinner table to set up like my makeup when I'm doing it, or I'll put my laptop here, which I actually use as my monitor. As you can see, this corner is not very big at all, but I make it do what it do. And as you can see, my husband has his little setup, like his drawers and stuff right here. Alright, so when I'm sitting in the corner, this is what I see. This is my monitor. So I just use my laptop as a monitor and I can actually adjust everything I need to do, my f-stop, my ISO, and my shutter speed. I can adjust that here. Alright, so sit here and get my lighting together, and I can also, I can do a lot of changes up here. This lets me know my sound, how it's recording. I can see the autofocus point display. I can see how that focuses, and this allows me to start and stop. And my runtime here, my camera automatically stops recording at about 29 to 30 minutes, so that's good for me to see right here, because a lot of times if I'm just looking at the monitor on my camera, I can't see that. This is called this is a Canon EOS Utility. So if you just go to the website, you can download this on your Mac or your PC. Then here's my camera. So this is what I see. I see my bed in my room right over there, and that's my camera sitting up there. This is a Neewer ring light. I believe it's a 14-inch ring light, and it comes on the tripod like this. And it comes with a plug. It actually came in this bag so that you can travel with it. And it comes with these like filters you can put on it. So just to change the tone of the lighting to let it be more warm. And then it comes with a plug for alternate outlet. So that's really the only lighting that I use, which is my ring light. I got it about 3 years ago. Yeah, so I actually just sit my camera on my ring light. It comes with attachment to attach my camera there. And I actually got this camera in a camera kit from Amazon. So I have the Canon EOS Rebel T6i, and I got this one because it connects to the internet, so I can like send images and stuff to my phone if I ever do that, which I have done before. And also it has the flip out screen and monitor. This is just the kit lens that came with the camera. It's a 18 to 55 millimeter. Right here I can attach different elements like a microphone. I can attach a flash. It does have a pop-up flash. I usually shoot my videos on manual just so I can control everything, but here it is. And before I use my computer as a monitor, I would just use this one. But as you can see, the ring light is smaller and it's not as wide, so I couldn't see my full self. But the camera that I'm using now came in a content creator kit that I got off of Amazon, and I just bought it because it was more affordable and it came with some other things. It actually came with this book bag. It came with this tripod, which is very light, and I think it's too light for the camera, and I'll be sure to link it in the description box. It also came with this microphone. This is a Rode mic. This type of mic is not good. It started off working well, but as it got older, my sound, you can hear like the little buzzing in the background of my videos. If you go watch some of my old videos, you can hear the buzzing. So right now I'm just using the mic on the camera, the internal microphone, and when I edit my videos, if I need to turn it up, I just do that. These different filter type lenses came with this grip that I can attach to the camera to like grip it if I'm taking pictures. This I do like. This is a lens cleaner, so to clean off the lens on my camera. It also came with this adapter. It has a card reader. This kit also came with this flash. I think this is the cord that came with the camera to attach it to the monitor, but my husband had this cord, which is nice and long, so it attaches to my camera, so that way I can see what's on my camera right here. And it came with this car adapter to charge batteries, but it also came with these different filter lenses. I also have these color filter lenses. Yeah, I see that changed the color of the video. So if I want to get really funky and creative, I can do that. It did come with a camera strap. I don't keep it up there too much because it was getting in the way of recording. To get the dust out of your camera and out of your lens, to clean it. And then there's also this shutter clicker. It's not that long, but I used to use it to like take pictures and stuff. You can also download this app called Camera Connect, and you can connect your camera to your phone if it has Wi-Fi. You connect your camera to your phone or your iPad or whatever device you have, and you can just take pictures on your phone and you can see yourself. It's a lot easier. You can use your phone as a remote. These are some extra batteries that I got. So the camera kit did come. The camera kit came with a Canon battery and charger. I could never find a replacement Canon battery, so I just bought these batteries here. It came with two. So this is the charger that came with the kit, but I don't put my Canon battery in here. I only put my Canon battery in the Canon charger. You know, I have 3 batteries in rotation because these batteries go fast because recording takes up a lot of power. This is what I used to use when I first recorded and when I was just using my phone. I would put my phone up here. I bought this attachment. My husband already had this. So this is my tripod, and when I'm vlogging, this is what I use. Or if I just want to record on my phone or I need to get different angles and use my phone, I'll put my phone on this tripod. But the reason why I bought a camera is because I didn't mind using my phone. It's just that I didn't have enough memory, and it's just easier for me to put stuff on a memory card and put it on my computer. But I will still edit on my phone and record on my phone if need to. But my phone memory used to get filled up so fast. Let's see what else I have. So this is not really for recording videos, but I bought these headphones for our podcast. Got these off of Amazon, and I like them because they're Bluetooth or they can be corded. Then I have this Fifine USB microphone that we used to record with, and this pop filter just to get rid of all the sounds, you know, have good quality audio when we record. And I actually use this mic to do my voiceovers because the sound is a whole lot clearer. All right, the next thing I have is my external hard drive. I do not save anything on my computer. I keep my computer memory as free as possible. This is my second one. This one's actually 2 terabytes, and I bought a case for it. This is where I keep my external hard drive. I keep my memory cards. I have SanDisk and Lexar. Both of them are 64 gigs. I keep 3 memory cards on deck. My WD Elements external hard drive, this is what it looks like, and this is a protective case for it. And I got the case from Amazon, got the external hard drive from Amazon, and this is the cord that came with it. But I also bought this one because I thought my cord was broken, and this is just a longer cord because a lot of times the shorter one will fall out. And this one is actually getting pretty full, and as a Christmas present or after Christmas present, my husband actually bought both of us a WD My Passport external hard drive, and this one is 2 terabytes as well, so this is what it looks like. But that's how I save everything, so I'll just transfer all my files from my memory cards and put it onto my hard drive. But I use iMovie because it's free and it was already on my computer. But I do plan on upgrading to Final Cut Pro. That's what I use to edit. This is just one project that I have in here. But usually I try not to keep too many projects, because once it gets full, then I'll have to like save where I'm at, put it on my hard drive, clear out the memory from my iMovie, and then have to do it all over again. But I like to keep my files like raw until I like upload it, or I like to keep my files where I can see all my edits before I upload it to YouTube, so that way I can go back and take away or add things if I need to. I do have a video that I recorded on how I edit. I just haven't posted it yet. If y'all want to see that, let me know. But yeah, this is my setup, y'all. Oh, the last thing is this blanket. First of all, it's very comfortable to sit on rather than this chair, because it's like wicker. But sometimes the sun will be coming in too strong from this side and it'll mess up my lighting. So I will use this as a curtain to block out my lighting. But that is it, y'all. That's my tech specs and stuff. That's the tour of my little recording studio and my little recording corner. I cannot wait to have my own she-office studio. Shout out to Jazz for that word. She-office, she-studio, you know, my own space to record, to edit. But if you have any questions, drop down in the comments below. Let me know. I will answer them to the best of my abilities. I'm not a tech nerd, and I ask my husband a whole bunch of questions about cameras and stuff and lighting, because he knows, and then I just do what I feel looks good. I hope you all enjoyed this video and watching it. I hope this was fun for you and you got to know a little bit of what I do behind the scenes and what goes into creating content for you all. Thank you so much for watching, but before you go, make sure you go down below, click that subscribe button, and right next to that, click that bell notification button so that you never miss when I post. Like I always say, it's free, it's easy, and it's fun. I'll be sure to see you in the next one, beauties. Bye.
Bye. Alright, they asking who the queen is. Look back while I twerk. No comparison. I'm a savage. Yeah. Classy, bougie, gadget.